Storytelling transformed, LTX Studio. From concept to creation. One platform that does it all. We're pioneering the integration of AI and film production, enabling the transformation of a single idea into a cohesive, AI-generated video.
But as I plucked that glowing fruit from its branch, the world turned against me. Caught in the act, my magic couldn't save me from iron bars and whispered judgments. Now from the depths of a cell I realize that freedom comes not from the spells we cast, but from the choices we make. And I made mine for a pink lemon.
Direct each scene down to specific camera angles with specialized AI. Cast your characters and preserve identity and style across frames. Create the final cut of a video project with SFX, music, and voiceovers in just a click. Prompt: a little boy dreaming of embarking on an adventure with his dog. From concept to creation. One platform that does it all. See LTX Studio in action. Precise creation with generative AI. LTX Studio facts. Are there associated copyright issues with using LTX Studio? Step into the director's shoes. Experience storytelling transformed with LTX Studio.